Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 13. Hope you all are fine and safe. So what all things we have studied in the previous class? We studied what is CAPTCHA. What is this CAPTCHA? The full form of CAPTCHA is completely automated public Turing test. It is to tell computers and humans apart. It is the full form of CAPTCHA. It is a test to ensure that the user is a human being. It can be in the different forms, either like a text that we have to type a text, or they will give some pictures. We have to select the suitable pictures from that, or like calculations. Okay, and it is to protect the site from automated programs that are used to hack the websites. And also we did an activity to send a copy of invitation. We opened the mail account, and there we studied how to send the copy of the invitation to others. That means how we can attach the files that includes messages, audios, videos, like that. And also we studied about CC, carbon copy. If I am sending the email to a particular person, if I want to send that copy of the email to other persons, I can write the mail ID of other persons in CC. Okay. And we studied some of the precautions that we have to take while sending an email. What are the precautions? Password and the username must be strong and it must be unique. We have to we have to change the password at intervals to keep our email safe. After using the Gmail account, we have to do, sign out the account. And if we are receiving any these messages from unknown email or unknown addresses, make sure that it is secure. After that only we have to reply or open the mail. Then it is an punishable offense of sending the mails like that are false or obscene. Obscene means the worst messages which make problem to people. So these were some of the precautions which we have to take while sending an email. Next we studied about the Wikipedia, which is an information provider, and we studied about the siblings of Wikipedia, which includes Wikicodes, Wiktionary, Wikisource, like that. So today we will be doing two activities. So before that, did you heard about SchoolWiki? Did you heard about SchoolWiki? SchoolWiki is an encyclopedia that is developed using Wikisource that includes all details like history, location, etc. of schools in Kerala. In Kerala, how many schools are there? If we want to get the details of the school, we can get it from SchoolWiki. It is an encyclopedia which is developed using Wiki software. Wiki software that includes all details like history, location, etc. All this information about the schools have been contributed to this site by groups comprising students, teachers, and old students. We can add any informations about our school in SchoolWiki. These informations are added by either principal or teachers or the students or old students. Okay, so a lot of wiki projects, what we can say, are there in the wiki, SchoolWiki. Information is included in the site is contributed by our volunteers or students or anyone. Depending on the number of volunteers, the quantity of information available in the collection may vary. Here you can see, or I think all have the textbook with you. So these are some of the informations that is just to go through those informations about the SchoolWiki. The fact is that anyone can add. That means even if I can add the informations to SchoolWiki. Even you can add the informations to SchoolWiki as students or teachers or principal or volunteers. Anyone can add the information to SchoolWiki. The fact that anyone without much technical knowledge can contribute or modify the information make wiki projects more acceptable to all. You can include the details of your school, other interesting features of your locality, and also articles prepared by the children in SchoolWiki. Okay, so how we can open the SchoolWiki? So that also I will be showing to you. Here you can see the address. So just to copy this, and I am going to paste it over here. So this is the address, this is the page of school wiki. Okay, this can be getting, I think, in English also. Just a second, I will wait for that. I'm opening in another browser, application, internet. Yeah, we can get it in English also. In Mozilla it is not showing, but in Chrome they are asking the options. If you want to see the language in English, that is also possible. So this is the school wiki. So from here we can select our school. If you want to see the details of our school, that is also possible. So for that, click the district Thrissur, and here you can see CEO Thrissur, DO Irinjalakuda, CEO Chavakkad, Kite District Office. So here I am going to select DO Irinjalakuda. So here you can see the list of schools, of government schools, aided schools and unaided school. And in unaided school you can see our school name, Don Bosco Irinjalakuda. So I am opening this. So here you can see the details of our school. Okay, these details are given by our volunteers, which includes students, teachers, previous staffs and all. They have given this information. They have added the details of our school in the school wiki. So here you can see the name of our school, the address, when it is established, school code you can see, and the education administration you can see. So the details you can see here. How many number of boys, number of girls, number of students. Okay, it is last edited on 2020, 1999 2020. And also here you can see a lot of projects done by different students or teachers for adding in the school wiki. Here you can see the history of the school. Here the facilities of school, extracurricular activities, and this is a map. So here while checking, you can see here some words are in red color, some are in green color. This red color denotes it is no informations are added here. Okay, this red color denotes like that, no informations are added here. So when I click here, you can see no informations are added. Okay, there are currently no text in this page. You can search for this page title in other pages. Okay, so if we want to add the informations, that is also possible here. So in this way we can select. Here also you can see here no informations are added. So the words which is in the red color, we can that means make sure that there is no information in that page. Okay, so for I already told anyone can add the informations in this page. So just I will be showing how we can add the information. So before adding the informations, we need to take the membership in this school wiki. So after taking the membership in the school wiki, then only we can add the information. So that also I will be showing. Here there is an option sign in and join. So we have to click on the option join. That means Angatham Edukuga, join. Here they will be asking the username, password, email address and our correct name. It is optional. So here I am going to give a username, password, email address I am giving. Correct name they are asking, but it is, as it is optional, I am not giving the correct name. Here you can see the CAPTCHA. For creating the account, they are asking to protect the wiki against any automated account creation. To make sure that the user is human, they are asking CAPTCHA. So tick here. So they have given some pictures. So what they have told, we have to select the pictures having the hills and mountains. So from here I am selecting the picture. So after that, create your account. It is showing that again I will be typing this. I think that due to some technical issues it is showing that we can't enter. Okay, when we give the correct CAPTCHA also they are showing some information. To protect the wiki against automatic, we kindly ask you to solve the following CAPTCHA. So it is showing ആന്തരിക പിഴവിനാൽ CAPTCHA പരിശോധന പരാജയപ്പെട്ടു. So some internal error or some internal issues are there. Once more we will try. If it is not working, we can go from here, like we can skip to the next option. Okay, so once more I am going to type the password. It will be showing the tick mark again when I am submitting. It is showing some error. So yeah, it is showing some problems. Okay, it is showing some internal errors. ആന്തരിക പിഴവിനാൽ CAPTCHA പരിശോധന പരാജയപ്പെട്ടു, like that it is showing. So maybe some technical issues. So I hope you understood how we can become a member of this school wiki. So for taking the for entering into this school wiki, we have to click on the option Angattam Edukuka. So that means in English it will be given as join. Okay, okay. So when we click here, you can be you will be getting the options like this. So here we have to give the correct names and all. After that we will become a member. So after making giving them after we become a member on in this group, we can enter into the group in our name. How we can enter? We have to click on the option Praveshikkuka, or what we can say, login. Okay, so once more I will show it to you because it changed to Malayalam again. here you can see, for when we click on the join, here you can see the details in English. We can give the details. So due to some technical issues it is not showing. After that, if we after creating our account, if we want to join, if we want to sign in, when we click on the sign in, they will be asking our username and the password. Once we have created one username and password, so that username and password we have to type here and click on the option sign in. Okay, so we will be getting this School Wiki page in our name. Okay. Okay, so this is the page of School Wiki. After that, you can see here in the page number 37, to a member of School Wiki we have to create the membership in this portion. Already we have tried, but due to some technical issues it is not showing. Okay, so next activity is activity 3.5, souvenir of Entenada in School Wiki. So here I am going to take the district and our school. I am going to Thrissur. DO Irinjalakuda Education District, and I am taking our school. So here you can see different projects. So here the first project is Entenada. So I am clicking this project. When I open that project, you can see the details of the project here. So here when we enter in our name, that means when we, after taking the membership, when we are joining in our name, you can see here an option will be there for editing. When we click on the option edit, we can give our own informations. What all informations we have, if we want to create an project related to our school, or if we have some pictures, or if we have some quotes or poems, that means or some statements or some story about our school, we can add that details here in Entenada. There will be an edit option, but as it is not as we didn't enter as a member, it is not showing here. But after taking the membership, you will be you can see an edit option here. So when we click on the option edit, you will be getting the informations. You can add the informations which we have created. Okay, so in this way we can do the activity souvenir of Entenada in School Wiki. So I hope it is clear to all of you. The information required to organize your article can be seen on the help page of the wiki. In the page 38 it is given here. In the help page you can see here Sahayam. In the help page you can see the information required to organize your, how we have to add the article, how we have to in what way we have to organize our details to add in the School Wiki. So that will be shown in the under the help or Sahayam. In Malayalam we can say Sahayam. So here they have given some informations or instructions which we have to keep in mind while taking an article, while giving the informations or while adding the informations in School Wiki. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So these are the two activities which we are discussing here. So what all things we have studied? We have done the two activities. The one activity is of School Wiki. What is a School Wiki? And it is of this Wikipedia, encyclopedia that containing the informations of this history, location, etc. of the informations of schools in Kerala. Whatever, like which schools we need, that informations we will be getting from the school wiki. Okay, and also we have done an activity of activity 3.5 souvenir of Endenadu in the school wiki. So before doing this activity, we enter to the page school wiki. From there we take our school's name, we saw the details of our school, and also what we have done, we studied how to take membership in school wiki. Okay, so but we can't do now because some due to some technical issues it is not showing correctly, so we can't be the member. But I think you understood how to become a member in school wiki. So after becoming the member, we can enter by using the option sign in. So when we click on the sign in options, they will be asking again the username and the password. By clicking on the username and password, we can enter into our this school wiki in our school page in our name. Okay, and after that you can add the informations under you can see the projects. So under the projects option, you can see the project Endenadu. So here we can add the informations which we have created. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you must ask me in the Google Meet. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.